Everywhere you look right now, people are talking about AI. It's the biggest shift we've seen in business in decades. But most of what you're hearing is either hype, outdated advice, or ideas that will only work if you already have a big team and deep pockets. So today, I'm going to give you the 5 best proven AI businesses that are possible to start in 2026. We have a goal of 500 likes on this video. If you're serious about building in 2026, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to join the top 1%, and let's get to work. I'm going to be honest with you, most of the new AI business ideas you see people hyping up right now are incredibly fragile. Most people are trying to use AI to sell services. They're building agencies, writing copy, or making faceless videos. The problem is AI is aggressively driving the cost of digital labor to zero. If an AI can do the work instantly for free, the value of selling that service drops every single day. You're fighting a losing battle against the algorithm. This is why I believe the safest, most anti-fragile business you can start in 2026 is AI-powered e-commerce. See? AI can replace a service provider, but it cannot replace the physical products that people know and love. People will always want to buy things, and when you build an AI e-commerce brand, you aren't just selling your time or prompts for quick cash. You're building a genuine asset with customers that you own. This is the exact model that allowed me to personally build a $50 million empire from my bedroom, not with a huge corporate team, but as a solo operator. You simply cannot do that with a service agency. You cannot sell hustle for a multi-million-dollar exit. You need a brand.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Kamil, you're an e-com guy, but doesn't it take a lot of time and money? In the past, yes, but now AI has broken down all the barriers. The business model hasn't changed, but the speed has. Instead of spending weeks researching, you can use AI to find a winning product in a single afternoon. Instead of hiring a developer, you can build a high-converting Shopify store in under an hour. Instead of hiring a camera crew, you can generate realistic video ads that look like they cost thousands of pounds to produce. You are taking the most proven business model in history and running it with the superpower of a 100-person team at your fingertips. So, I'm putting this first on the list. While the other ideas are great for generating income, this is the one that I believe builds real long-term wealth. Let's score it to see how it stacks up against the rest.
For startup cost, I give it a 4 out of 10. I'm going to be real with you, this isn't free. You'll need £500 to £1,000 to get started, but I consider that a good thing because it keeps the competition low. For skill required, it's a 6 out of 10. You don't need to be a coding genius, but you do need to be resourceful enough to use the AI tools I talk about on my channel. For speed to money, an 8 out of 10. With AI, you can launch a store this weekend and see your first sale within days. And for profit potential, it's a 10 out of 10. The profit potential is uncapped. This is the model where you can make $10,000 a month today and also get a $10 million check in 3 years by selling the brand. Now on to the other 4 ideas. Idea number 4 is what I call Digital Products 2.0. If you aren't ready to build a full e-commerce brand yet and you want high leverage cash flow, this is for you. The old model of selling a simple ebook is dead. The new opportunity is in selling AI-enhanced digital assets that provide a specific, high-value solution. I'm talking about AI prompt packs for specific industries, advanced Notion templates with built-in AI assistants, and custom workflow automations. Let's go deeper. The key here is specificity. Don't just create a generic social media template pack. Create a Canva template pack for UK-based electricians. Don't just sell a Notion template. Sell a Notion life planner for university students with ADHD. The more niche you go, the higher you can charge. The process is simple. Step 1, go to a community like Reddit for your target audience. Step 2, find a problem they complain about constantly. Step 3, build the solution using AI. Use ChatGPT to generate 100 different quote templates for electricians. Step 4, make it look professional using Canva. Step 5, launch it on a platform like Stan Store. You can have your first product live in a single weekend. You build it once and you can sell it thousands of times. So let's score it. Startup cost, 9 out of 10. You can start for literally £0. Skill required, 5 out of 10. You just need to be good at research and packaging information. Speed to money, 7 out of 10. You can make your first sale the same day you launch. Profit potential, 7 out of 10. It's great for cash flow, but it's harder to scale to a massive brand compared to e-commerce. Idea number 3 is the AI content machine. This has two paths: faceless YouTube channels and the AI-powered content agency. Faceless channels are making $30,000 a month using AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and find footage. But the even bigger opportunity is the agency model. Every local business needs social media content, but has no time to create it. You become their outsourced marketing department. Here's the exact pitch. Mr. Business Owner, for £1,500 a month, I will create and post one short form video to your social media every single day. You don't have to do anything. The value is irresistible, and you can use AI tools like Video AI to take one long video the business already has and automatically chop it up into dozens of viral clips. You can schedule a whole month of content in a single afternoon. It's a high leverage, high margin business you can run from your laptop. Let's score it. Startup cost, 8 out of 10. You can start with free trials for most of the tools. Skill required, 6 out of 10. You need to have a good eye for what makes a viral video. Speed to money, 8 out of 10. You can land your first client this week. Profit potential, 7 out of 10. It's a great cash flow business, but it's still a service, which means it's harder to scale than a product brand. Idea number 2 is the AI automation agency. This is a huge step up. If the content agency is about doing the work, the automation agency is about building the machine that does the work. Businesses are desperate to automate, but they have no idea how. You don't sell websites or marketing, you sell systems. Here are 3 real-world automations you can sell. Number 1, the AI sales rep. Build a system that finds customers on LinkedIn, sends personalized messages, and follows up all on autopilot, using tools like Clay and SmartLead. Number 2, the AI receptionist. For a dentist, build an AI that answers their phone and books appointments 24/7 using a tool like Bland.ai. Number 3, the AI onboarding specialist. For companies that hire a lot, build a system that sends contracts and enrolls new hires in training automatically using Zapier. For each of these, you can charge a £5,000 setup fee plus a £500 monthly retainer. You stop thinking like a marketer and start thinking like a systems engineer. Scoring this one, startup cost, 8 out of 10. You can start with free plans on tools like Zapier and Make. Skill required, 7 out of 10. You need to understand logic and systems, but not deep code. Speed to money, 7 out of 10. It takes a bit longer to land the first client, but the contracts are bigger. Profit potential, 8 out of 10. This is highly scalable as you build a recurring revenue base. And finally, the number 1 business to start in 2026. This is the one. This is the business model that no other YouTuber is talking about because it's brand new. It's called Vibe-Coded Micro SaaS. The term sounds complex, but the idea is simple. You no longer need to know how to code to build software. You just need to be able to describe a problem, and AI will build the software for you. The new skill set is not programming, it's problem spotting. Go to a subreddit for landlords, and you'll see them complaining about tracking expenses. That's a micro SaaS idea. Go to a Facebook group for personal trainers, and you'll see them complaining about creating workout plans. That's a micro SaaS idea. Once you have the idea, you go to a vibe coding platform like Bolt.new or Lovable. You literally write a prompt. Build me a web application where personal trainers can create and assign workout plans to their clients. The AI will generate the entire application. You can then put it on your own domain, connect it to Stripe, and you have a real software business with recurring revenue. This is how you build real long-term wealth in the new economy. Let's score it. Startup cost, 7 out of 10. The tools are still new and can have some costs. Skill required, 8 out of 10. You need to be excellent at identifying problems and describing solutions clearly. Speed to money, 6 out of 10. It takes time to build and market a real software product. Profit potential, 10 out of 10. This is the holy grail, a scalable, recurring revenue software business. So there you have it. 5 proven AI businesses for 2026. The common thread is that you have to be an operator who builds systems and assets, not just a freelancer selling time. The good news is the barrier to entry has never been lower. The tools are practically free. The knowledge is out there. The only thing missing is you. To get you started, I've put together a full AI Operator Toolkit for 2026. It includes a list of the top 50 AI tools I use, 10 vibe coding business ideas you can start this weekend, and the exact prompts I use to build my AI automations. It's completely free. The link is in the description below this video. Stop listening to the outdated advice. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Start building. Thanks for watching.